Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Give the benefit of the doubt. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me start with a story. Imagine you're a teacher, and a student hands in a late assignment. You could assume they're lazy or give them the benefit of the doubt and assume they had a valid reason. That's what this idiom means, to believe someone's story without proof. To give the benefit of the doubt means to believe someone's story without proof or evidence. It's an expression used when you're unsure of the truth but choose to believe the best. To remember the meaning, think of it as giving someone the benefit of a doubt instead of assuming the worst. It's like giving them a chance to explain themselves. Let me share a story using the idiom. John was accused of stealing, but his friend gave him the benefit of the doubt and believed he was innocent. John later proved his innocence, and their friendship grew stronger. Did you know that this idiom originated in the legal system? Or that it's often used in business and personal relationships? Example 1, I'll give him the benefit of the doubt and assume he's telling the truth. Even though there's no evidence, I'll believe him. Example 2, she gave me the benefit of the doubt and didn't punish me for being late. Even though I had no proof, she believed I had a valid reason. Original, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt and assume you're telling the truth. Rephrased 1, even though there's no evidence, I'll believe you. Rephrased 2, I'll trust your story without proof. I once gave a student the benefit of the doubt when they missed an exam, and it turned out they had a family emergency. It strengthened our relationship, and they became a top-performing student. Here are some similar expressions. Take someone's word for it. Believe in someone, trust someone. Opposite expressions, be suspicious, doubt someone, assume the worst. Related idioms, give someone the benefit of the doubt. Take someone at their word, trust one's instincts. Quiz time. Which of these is the correct definition of give the benefit of the doubt? A. To assume the worst without proof. B. To believe someone's story without proof. C. To doubt someone's story without proof. Answer, B. It means to believe someone's story without proof. To sum up, give the benefit of the doubt means to believe someone's story without proof. It's often used in business and personal relationships and originated in the legal system. Remember to trust someone's story without proof and give them a chance to explain themselves.